Number 1. Amber Fort, Jaipur. Amber Fort of Jaipur is located on the Aravalli Highlands and offers magnificent views of the Mauta Lake. Built back in the 16th century by Raja Man Singh, the fort displays the Mughal style of architecture created using the red sandstone and marble doubles, giving it a grand look and also making it one of the best forts in Rajasthan. Number 2. Jaisalmer Fort, Jaisalmer. This majestic fort located on the top of the Trikota hill is the second oldest fort of Rajasthan. This spectacular beauty overlooking the dunes of Thar Desert was built way back in the 12th century using yellow sandstone by Rawal Jaisal and is one of the best and most visited forts in Rajasthan. Hence the fort is also popularly known as Sonar Killa or Golden Fort. Number 3. Ranthambore Fort, Ranthambore National Park. Ranthambore Fort is built around the Ranthambore Wildlife Sanctuary in Savai Madhopur. Interestingly, this fort in Rajasthan was built on two hills back in the 10th century by Nagil Jats, who were the oldest royals of Rajasthan. At present date, although many parts of the fort are in ruins after witnessing attacks from Mughals and Britishers, few structures remain tall and stand strong, and hence it is still considered to be one of the best forts in Rajasthan. Number 4. Chittorgarh Fort, Chittorgarh. Chittorgarh Fort is one of the earliest forts of Rajasthan, which was constituted in the 7th century. It holds a significant part of Rajasthan's history, and this UNESCO World Heritage Site is home to many romantic tales of Rajasthan. Spread over a broad area of 700 acres with 7 large gateways termed as pole, it is also usually known as Water Fort, as there are about 22 water bodies within the fort, making it a good spectacle and also one of the best forts in Rajasthan. Number 5. Gagron Fort, Gagron. Another UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Gagron Fort of Rajasthan is beauty in itself. This fort has wonderful surrounding and holds many archaeological marvels of history. One of the most visited forts in Rajasthan, this fort is the epitome of Jal Durg, which means it is surrounded by water on all sides. The Gagron Fort was initially built as a protection for armies in the 1195 AD by then ruler Bijal Dev of the Parmara kingdom. The glory of the fort in Rajasthan has however faded through the years, but the charm still lives. Number 6. Mehrangarh Fort, Jodhpur. Mehrangarh Fort stands as one of the most prominent cultural landmarks of Jodhpur. The establishment of the fort was done back in 1458 by then Rathore ruler Rao Jodha. One of the most beautiful forts in Rajasthan, this fort continues to stand strong and sparks wonder from all its visitors. There are 7 massive gateways of the fort, and each of them signify their great victory on different kingdoms. Even today, there are many unsolved mysteries that the fort holds that entices many around the world. Number 7. Hawa Mahal, Jaipur. Hawa Mahal is one of the most clicked forts in Rajasthan. Its unique honeycomb-shaped windows are totally a showstopper. It was built by the King Maharaja Savai Pratap Singh in the year 1799. The surprising fact behind the numerous windows of Jharokas, as they call it, they were built so that the queens and their daughters could see the views of the city and its daily hustle without being seen. Today the palace has been transformed into a marketplace where you can buy colorful jewels, handlooms and everything that can take you back to the traditional Rajasthani artistry. Number 8. Lake Palace, Udaipur. Glorifying the title of Venice of the East, Lake Palace is among the best heritage hotels of Udaipur. The Lake Palace was built in 1743 and at present date has been modified into a luxury estate with 83 rooms that will surely take you back to the ancient days while having the comfort of modern facilities. This is a top recommendation if you are planning your honeymoon in Rajasthan. Number 9. Umaid Bhawan Palace, Jodhpur. Originally built as a huge mansion boasting its ancient heritage, this palace has been transformed into a boutique hotel which will give you a feeling of a king, a place where you will be treated like a Maharaja with access to world-class amenities. The place is managed by Taj Group of Hotels and holders of 347 luxuriant rooms in its space. One of the best picturesque forts in Rajasthan. On your Jodhpur vacation, ensure not to miss Umaid Bhawan Palace. Number 10. Kumbhalgarh Fort, Rajasthan. Kumbhalgarh Fort, towering the Aravalli ranges, is one of the most fabulous majestic forts in Rajasthan. and holds a large part of history within its borders. The fort was built by Maharaja Rana Kumbha in the 15th century. The greatness of the fort lies in its great castles stretching to 36 kilometers, and interestingly the Kumbhalgarh fort is the next longest massive wall after the Great Wall of China. Hope you liked this video. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel.